Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andromedha Islami Rosni. You can also call me Andro. And I'm from Sidoarjo, East Java, Indonesian country. Now I am studying at State Polytechnic of Jember, Information of Technology Department, and Computer Engineering Study Program. Here, I want to talk about HIV and AIDS. So, for the first time, what is AIDS? AIDS is a syndrome or a collection of symptoms that arise due to a very weak immune system. Infection, which should not be severe in certain people, can be deadly in people with AIDS. AIDS stands for acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS is the final stage of the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, infection. Yeah, this picture it's like AIDS. A acquired, I immune, D deficiency as syndrome. Uh, acquired is like acquired not from hereditary disease, and immune is this fight this disease against our system immune body, and deficiency is like lack of medicine. There is not even a cure. Syndrome is a collection of symptoms of disease. The cause of AIDS is HIV. This virus attacks the immune system, which is supposed to function to fight infection. HIV destroys white blood cells called CD4 cells. Viruses also make their bodies in the cells. As a result, the immune system decreases and make it difficult for the body to fight infection. If people with HIV don't get treatment, HIV can become AIDS within 10 to 15 years. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Uh, the mode of transmission of HIV and AIDS, such as vaginal, oral, and anal sex, and then infected blood or blood products, use of stringer alternately, transmission from mother to baby during pregnancy, childbirth, or breastfeeding. Symptoms AIDS, such as losing weight drastically, continuous diarrhea, swelling of the neck and or armpits, cough continuously, fever for too long. The stage HIV infection. There is four stages. Stage 1, HIV disease doesn't doesn't show any symptoms and is not categorized as AIDS. Stage 2 includes minor mucocutaneous manifestation and non-healing upper respiratory tract infection. Stage 3 includes unexplained chronic diarrhea lasting more than 1 month, severe bacterial infection, and pulmonary tuberculosis. Stage 4 includes toxoplasmosis of the brain, carditis in the throat, esophagus, respiratory tract, trachea, trunk of the lung, bronchi or lungs, and Kaposi's sarcoma. HIV disease is used as an indicator of AIDS. So there is a cure? No, there is not cure, but there is a some like treatment, but not treatment. It's like a cure, but not for treat, but to slow down the virus growing. It is a ARV or antiretroviral. Yeah, what is ARV and what the function? Yeah, ARV to help slow the progression of the virus in the body until it becomes AIDS. People with HIV usually use antiretroviral drugs or ARVs. Yeah, this ARVs slow down the virus growing. It's not even a cure. So, as long as there is no cure, then we must prevent it. Prevent it such as do not have sexual relation with people with HIV, use condoms, reduce the risk of transmission, examination of donor blood. If you need a blood transfusion, ask for assurance that the blood you will receive is HIV free. Use a disposable syringe. Avoid getting drunk and narcotics that make you forget yourself. Yeah, this is a prevent HIV and AIDS. A. Abstinence. It's like no, don't do that. No, don't do that. It's like that. Okay. And the B. Be faithful. You must be faithful to your family or yeah, your friend or nearby you. You must be faithful. If you feel nothing, feel something, yes, you must be faithful. And C. Condoms. Use condoms for sexual. Yeah, it's safe. And D. No drugs. No drugs. It's so dangerous for your healthy guys. And five. Education. Uh, you must got education about HIV and AIDS, and make your brain to think again to do something. What can make you? What can uh make you sick? Yeah, you must got education from child. This is the myth about HIV or AIDS. HIV or AIDS is a cute curse disease. It is not true because everyone can be infected, whatever they are teenagers, adults, children, or babies. Everyone can be infected. That is not God's cures disease. Number two, HIV or AIDS is a disease of. I'm sorry for that noise, guys. I'm sorry. Number two, HIV or AIDS is a disease of Western or Jews. Not true, because the spread of HIV is not based on race. Number three, HIV or AIDS is only transmitted through sexual contact. Not true. That noise is disturbing me. Not true, guys. Transmission can be through all activities related to the exchange of body fluids. Number four, HIV or AIDS is a disease of homosexual. Not true. All groups can be infected. Uh, uh, it's like woman to woman, boy or boy, woman to boy, or sex partner or something. Yes, everyone can be infected. HIV or AIDS affects a lot of sex workers. Not true. It's like number one, everyone can be affected, not only sex worker, not only. everyone is at risk for infection. HIV or AIDS can be transmitted through daily social contact, not through gate. Why? Because HIV or AIDS cannot be transmitted without an exchange of body fluids. So, yes, only that from me. If you have any opinion, you can comment below. Yeah, so we must keep our healthy, guys. We must keep our healthy and do do not anything something weird. Don't do that. Yeah, be like normal people, healthy people. Do not anything weird. Okay, just keep your health. So that's all from me. If you have any opinion, it's like I said before, you can comment below. And thanks for your attention about my presentation. See you and thank you.